I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your balance on Bell Canada Prepaid is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Open your phone and dial *123#. This is the quick way to access your balance information. Step 2. Listen to the automated message. After dialing, listen to the automated message that provides your current balance. It will also give you information about your plan. Step 3. Use the My Bell app. If you prefer using an app, download the My Bell app from your app store. Log in with your account details to view your balance easily. Step 4. Check online. You can also check your balance online by visiting the Bell Canada website. Go to the Prepaid section and log into your account. Step 5. Contact customer service. If you're having trouble, you can always call Bell customer service at 611 from your Bell phone. They can assist you with balance inquiries. Remember, if you were using the My Bell app, make sure you have notifications enabled so you can receive updates on your balance automatically. Happy checking!